Copy, that is good info. They are coming up creek side, over.
We got two. Good copy, good copy. B.O.S.S, they're in line with us to the left.
Copy, help get eyes.
Straight in front of us. They're walking down creek side. Hey, you come over there and see if you can help them with those two guys there. I got this covered. So get to the other corner. Watch the ridge. Go down, we go around that. You cover it. Once they're straight left on that building.
Watch that way.
Yeah, they're directly. They're behind the truck that's up there.
Hey!
You cover? Okay, go.
Okay, you see him to the left side of Hell's Hallway behind the wood berm?
Yeah. Hey, we got one. We got one on Creekside.
Copy.
Hit.
Do you have a bandage?
No. Okay, they're shooting in this backside. B.O.S.S, they're behind us.
I got no visuals.
Okay, we're pinched.
If you can, we may need some help. They're flanking this hard creek. Over. Go ahead, behind that building. Copy that, over. Guys, we're gonna shift left. Negative. Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna push out a bus. They're gonna push into here. Our guys are gonna push into here. Okay, Red. Red, I'm bounding behind us. Go that way. Okay, he's dead. Okay, I'm gonna push to this small building here. I'm gonna push to this small building. Red, I'm pushing to this small building. Follow me, bounding. Covering. Red, covering.
I'm putting down the green awning, one down from us.
Red, covering. We're falling back to the building to the left of bus, over.
They keep taking the angle somewhere probably there. I'm gonna try to cut across, get over to you.
See these guys? You hit? B.O.S.S, you got the guys hit.
Does he have a bandage?
You have bandage? You don't have bandage. He does not
They're
have
out! They're out!
He does not have bandage, Milsim. It's just me and you. Alright, be fine, get back there, shoot again.
Behind Hells, over.
They're in line with us over there. He's too far away from me.
Go for Moose.
I'll see you soon.
Sorry to Moose, what's your engagement area?
In the creek behind bus, over.
Want you to Moose, we have enemy at Health Way.
Don't move far enough. Hit! Wow. Oh, wait. Dead. Where's that? I don't like shape of that. You cannot tell me. 7 Hotel. Oh.
Red, he's behind. Behind bus.
I can't get this to support. I got any steam with them. I got any steam. They're way behind us.
Hit! Hit! Ah.
What's your plan, Moose?
Currently they are at the they're at the flag and buses overran. They made their way Far Creek.
You want to go far left? We'll go far right.
We can just watch it. They're gonna have a lot of shots on you.
On far right still? If we take the ridge?
They are at bus, in bus.
Well, I understand that, but if we take ridge,
Maybe,
we'll have them flank.
unless they have somebody there
Maybe.
that's smart
Okay.
holding the position.
Okay. Yeah, and you want to go creek?
We can go that dip down in the village and have
Well,
They got a good number of guys.
they got like
Bro,
8
hey, the
guys
wall.
full kit.
I've been killed twice, not how you see the enemy.
Taking you west.
Well, that means they're being good soldiers.
Be
They don't see
advised,
them before they
squad
see you.
moving on Dam Road. There are 2 enemies posted up about 60 yards in front of you. Do you have a good idea where they're posted up?
Ready to go with Big Miss?
Spread out. Spread out.
Staggered.
Meaning, make sure there's space.
Enemy, 3 bodies. That's 3 bodies. 3 bodies.
Red. Go with him. Since I have the radio, I don't want to be first in line.
Any way to go to the creek.
Okay, negative. Go straight for now. We can branch off at Blue Tarps.
My current location, Wolf, is at church.
We have green in line right here. This is Moose. We're currently going into the creek at Blue Tarps. Over. Copy that. Remember to keep at least 10 to 15 feet in between each other. That way if one of us goes down, we're not all dead. Red. This is Squad 1. We are currently in the creek just on the other side of Blue Tarps. Over.
Squad 1 and 2, be advised, there are 5 hostiles within buses currently.
Copy that.
If we clear these buildings and hold them, then we got to hold them.
Copy. Covering. Watch bus. Go.
Watch left.
Those might be friendlies.
It's green. It's our guy.
Just go, 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 go. Got a bandage? Who got hit?
Nobody.
Awesome. Okay. We gotta go around this way. Let's try to hurry. Mr. Red, we're pinching in on your left. Over. Or not. I'm good. Moose to Red, what's your status? Over. Copy that. Hit!
Hit!
Oh no.
You okay if I take a picture?
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, it's you, Moose. What up?
Hi.
Hey, do me a favor, buddy. Take a picture of me real quick.
I don't even think it was you unless it was a really slow BB, because I think it came from bus.
No, you get on your knees. You're dead. Appreciate it, buddy.
Awesome.
Nice.
I gotta start my timer, but I think it's been about 2 minutes.
Is this your mag or mine?
That would be super cool.
Okay. So, for you guys be patrolling down Creekside with that. Carry it however
Okay.
you want. I don't care. You can put sticks through the handles and use it like a litter, however you want to do
Okay.
it. Patrol down there. We are setting an ambush. 306 and 302 area church, and 302, 303, you can have people in it, you got people outside it. I'd recommend hiding and letting them get right up on you and just your entire world. You guys need to expect an ambush.
Okay.
So you might put a small reconnaissance element up ahead
Yep.
as your squad pushes up to the 40 everything.
The old med bay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I think you're going to deposit that in 401, but
401. Okay.
I need to get clarification.
I would imagine 401.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's my squad. We're setting up an ambush where? At the church and at that area?
Yeah, church 303 and 302.
Copy, okay.
Okay. Copy that.
You don't have to be in the buildings, but let them get in and just crush their souls.
Okay. You want us to wait inside the buildings?
You can put some people in there if you want.
Okay. Oh, their objective is like the church side area?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
I think they're going to be doing the same thing they're doing and dropping this off in church very likely.
Okay. So, okay, I'll set up a good ambush outside church. Okay.
Copy that.
Good stuff.
So, squad 2 is gonna set up an ambush around the church area, essentially kind of like right here. We are going to take that gas can and we're going to go along creek side. We're gonna go just on the road, and then at some point we're gonna dip actually into the creek. I'm gonna have a small reconnaissance group going ahead of us to make sure that that does not get captured. Okay? And
two guys forward deployed, don't they?
do what?
Since they won the last round, they get 2 guys up forward deployed.
That's true. Yeah. So they're probably going to be putting them down here or something. So we should be fine over there, but we should keep an eye out. So they may have 2 guys stationed somewhere. But either way, we're going to be going into the creek essentially and going up directly across from us. All the way on the other side of this little field is the 400s building. Some of them are painted on there, you can see them. We're supposed to take that and drop it in the 400s buildings.
Can you say the exact sequence? I couldn't hear that.
We're taking that gas can and we're bringing it up there. So I saw we have a sniper. Is anyone here running HPA?
Me.
You. So you're gonna go with the sniper. So we have silent for the close. Is that a DMR or is it a rifleman? What FPS was it shooting?
Like almost 400.
Almost. Okay, so perfect. So you go with him. That way, if y'all get jumped or something and he can't shoot, then he's got a pistol, but still you'll be there to back him up. So you'll go with him.
There we go.
Correct.
Do you want someone with a radio?
You can if you want.
My HK is pushing 410. I don't know.
Who has radio?
Okay. I mean, still something. And then who here? Does anyone here have radios? Awesome. Okay. So then, Red, you go with them. So I have somebody with radios with the reconnaissance.
Copy.
Okay. So
us, me,
you,
sniper.
you. And where are you going, DMR, or are we going with the other one? Okay. So you can go with them too. Okay. Cool. So it'll be you, and you together. Will be ahead of us, and we'll be carrying the fuel tank, gas can.
Make sure. Testing. Over.
Good check.
Okay.
Okay. We go at 1 o'clock sharp, and it's 53 right now. Okay. We're right behind you, over. We just need to make it to the 400s, over. Make sure to tell you guys to not be trigger happy. Our goal is to get there quietly, over. Copy that. Have the sniper stay where you guys are right now, then have the HPA go ahead around me to my left, over. You two go ahead. Go ahead and go in front of me. We'll leave some space and then we'll be right behind you. Leave some space and then follow.
Follow.
Correct. Copy that, over. Get in front of them. Keep your eyes open. Bill. You too. Watch it that way. You follow us. Follow him. We need to get in those buildings. Leave space, but then stay right behind him. Go. We're going in over.
Oh, that's a red shirt. The red shirt on the bus.
Two on ball. Don't shoot unless necessary. Are you ready? Okay. Okay. Okay, you're in here. You're good.
Hey, we got.
Do you have a bandage at all?
Got a guy to
Copy.
the right and one right. Is that our guy? Let's do it first.